So you're a cashier using BigLedger? Well, this right here is going to be your superpower. We're about to break down the single most important task you'll do all day long, creating a perfect sales bill. From the second a customer walks up to that final receipt. Let's get right into it.
Look, this is the heart of your job, right? And getting it right from the get-go means less stress for you and way happier customers. I promise, by the end of this quick explainer, you are going to be handling these transactions like an absolute pro. Ready to build that confidence? Let's do this.
Okay, first things first, preparing your session. Seriously, think of it like a chef prepping their kitchen before the big dinner rush. A solid start here makes the rest of your shift just easy. It's all about being smooth, fast, and accurate. Your whole day really kicks off with just 2 simple clicks. First, you log in. That's you telling the system, hey, I'm here. Then you immediately hit Start Session. That's the signal that you are officially open for business and ready to start making sales.
Now, a really key part of starting your session is declaring your starting float. And this is more than just having some change ready. It's a critical accounting step. By setting this exact amount at the start, you're making sure that when it's time to balance your drawer at the end of the day, everything is straightforward and perfectly accurate. All right, you're logged in, your session is started, and the drawer is ready to go. Now for the main event, actually building the bill. This is where you connect with the customer and create their order right there in the system.
Back on the main screen, your first move is almost always going to be that new bill button. That just wipes the slate clean for a fresh order. Then you've got a choice. You can link the sale to a regular customer to track their points, or for a quick walk-in, you just leave it blank. Simple as that. Okay, time to add some products. You've got 2 fantastic options here. For pretty much anything with a barcode, that scanner is your best friend. It's super fast and you literally can't make a mistake. Now, if an item doesn't have a barcode, no problem at all. Just start typing the name in the search bar and the system finds it for you in a flash. Now, before you lock that item in, you can tweak it. Does the customer want 5 of them? Easy, just change the quantity. Are you allowed to give a special price? You can modify it right here. Once it looks perfect, you just click Add to Bill, and boom, it's officially on the order.
Let's talk about a crucial habit, the pre-flight check. I love this. Just like a pilot double-checks their instruments before takeoff, you're going to take a quick glance at the bill before finalizing. This one habit prevents almost all mistakes and keeps your customers happy. It literally takes 2 seconds.
So here's your mental checklist. Give the screen a quick scan. Are all the items there? Yep. Are the quantities right? Check. Do the prices look correct? Good. You'll see the taxes are already calculated for you, so all you need is a final glance at that total to know everything is in perfect order. Okay, the review is done, everything looks perfect, and the customer is ready to pay. It's time to complete the sale and officially close out this transaction. This is the home stretch. So, once everything is confirmed, it's time to make it official. You're going to click that Save Bill button. This is that final step that locks in the sale and records it forever in the system. And there it is. You'll get that nice, clear confirmation right on the screen. When you see this, it means the sale has been perfectly recorded in the system. Job well done. You know, as soon as you hit Save, the system generates a unique bill number. Think of this as the transaction's own personal fingerprint. It's the permanent ID that lets you or a manager find this exact sale instantly if you ever need to for a return, a question, or for running reports. And the final piece of the puzzle is that proof of purchase. BigLedger gives you options, which is great. You can print out a classic paper receipt, or you can go green and email a digital copy right to the customer. And here's why all that accuracy you're practicing is so important. Every single bill you create, it doesn't just vanish. It's instantly logged and it becomes part of the daily transaction report. Your managers, the finance team, they rely on that data to see how the business is doing. Every perfect transaction you complete helps paint that big picture. And that's it. From logging in all the way to printing that receipt, you now know the entire workflow. You've officially created your very first perfect transaction in BigLedger POS. Congratulations! So, you've totally mastered the basics. But what happens next? What do you do when a customer slides a coupon across the counter or asks about a special sale? Well, in our next explainer, we're going to dive into exactly that, how to handle all kinds of discounts and promotions. See you there.